Alright, this is Scott with AAQUICK Plumbing. We're here at number 4, Graeler. I guess they keep having this thing back up on them, and we're out here now. We're going to do an inspection on the line. We're out here at the yard clean out. There's a T here out in the yard. We're going to go ahead and throw this line in there and see what we got. We'll be right back. Alright, so we got our camera run towards the house here. Here we are at 22 feet. As you see, there's a massive ball of roots in here. So we're going to go ahead and try and auger this out and run a big cutter through there, see if we can't cut these roots out. Be right back. Alright, so we went ahead and augered this thing out several times with multiple cutters. We went in there with a 4-inch, a 3-inch. We had a hard time cutting through the roots. We finally cut through them a little bit. And then we come and find that there's a cast iron T here next to the house to clean out. It's on a T. And we came out here, we had to run it in and then run it back out again with our cable out here with a 3-inch cutter. I got my camera in there. Here we are inside the house, at the bottom of the stack here. Go ahead, pull it back, show you what it looks like. Got a line, cut line in there in the side. And something else cutting in right there. And another one. So we were able to get a 3-inch cutter in this cast iron. It's 4-inch cast iron, so got a decent sized cutter in there. It does have some scaling on the sides. About average for old cast iron. Here we are at the T. We're going to go ahead and run out towards the main, towards the other clean out. We'll be right back. Alright, so we got our camera ran out towards MSD here. Here we are at the main at MSD's line. Go ahead and pull it back. Show you what this line looks like. Got a small little offset to bell there, nothing too bad. Buildup or something going on the side there. Got a little root there growing at the top. Straggler there, nothing too bad though. So here we are. This is where the yard clean out is. There's a T out there, 6-inch T with a riser pipe. And it dives right here and dives back over. Yeah, we've got a small little separation there, but keep pulling it back. So we got some roots growing in the side there. So we got all these heavy roots that we had to try. We tried cutting these roots out with 4-inch cutter, best we could. They're in there pretty good. They don't want to come out. Got some more roots there. The root that we cut off. We got a big ball of roots right here. So the line's got this cast iron T and it's dropping down. It comes in a 6-inch clay pipe and it just straight drops down and turns. And you guys see how all these roots are growing in the joint there. I mean, we were able to cut a little majority of them back, but there's still a bunch in there. I'm going to locate and mark this. Probably recommend a 10-foot repair on that. And, yep, we'll be right back. Alright, so I've located and marked several roots here, multiple spots of roots in the line here. So I'm going to recommend this to be repaired right here near transition. Probably recommend a 10-foot repair. And then while they got the line dug up and open and exposed, run a big cutter through there to cut the remainder of the roots going towards the second clean out by the driveway. Because from out there you can only run such a, I mean, we got a 4-inch cutter, but it's too many turns and going uphill, and it doesn't want to cut these roots out properly. So we can't get a 5-inch cutter in there or anything like that. So, yep, definitely going to recommend that to be repaired.